and welcome back to Cells Got Talent, the only show where microscopic egos are way bigger than they should be. I'm your host, Howie Mansell.
And I'm your other host, Selman Cowell.
Today's contestants are here to prove who's really the most important cell organelle. First up, the cell membrane.
Step aside, folks. Security's here. Nobody gets in or out without me.
Please, you're just a wall.
A wall? Excuse you. I'm a selectively permeable masterpiece. You're alive because I decide what comes in and out. I'm like the VIP bouncer of biology.
So you're saying without you, we'd all
Float away into a soup of chaos? Yup, you're welcome.
big talk for someone who's mostly lipids.
Honey, these lipids keep the peace. Without me, this cell would be leakier than a bad group chat.
All right. Show us what you've got, membrane. Impress us.
Watch and learn. Osmosis, diffusion, front and center. Whoa, little virus, you're not allowed in here. Code cell 11 virus report, spread the word. You see that? Safety, efficiency, control. No one else here is keeping balance like me.
Next up, the nucleus, the so-called control freak of the cell. Control freak, please. I'm the brain's boss and the big decision maker. Without me, the place would be in chaos.
And yet somehow you still can't leave your own nuclear envelope.
See here, this DNA needs our nuclear envelope so they can copy and perform necessary functions for life. What about prokaryotic cells? But really, prokaryotes don't matter.
What a bold statement. Have you fact-checked that? I didn't think so. According to my research, prokaryotes are necessary for digestion and producing vitamins. Try eating without prokaryotes. I'll send an expedited letter to your toilet.
Ugh. Next up, Milton the mitochondria, the self-proclaimed powerhouse of the cell.
I turn glucose into ATP, baby. I am the energy.
Sure you are. Funny though, because without the others, you're basically just a floating bean.
How about this for a floating bean? Bam, what? 1, 2, 3. Sorry to burst your bubble, Milton, but I have to do your job on all prokaryotic cells. You're not the only powerhouse here. I don't even need y'all, man. You took me in way back when. Before that, I was on my own.
So you're saying we were on our own also, working perfectly fine without you, yet you're still with us. Interesting.
Next up, we've got Ricky the ribosome, the protein machine.
That's right, I built all the proteins. You like hormones, enzymes, muscles? You're welcome.
Wow, impressive. You make all the parts and can't even use them. Must be humbling.
Okay. What's your talent, Ricky?
Look how fast I can make these amino acids into proteins. Bam, what?
Wow, impressive. But who packs and ships them? I think we'll keep you at minimum wage since you split the work with Golgi and ER.
And last but definitely least efficient, we've got the endoplasmic reticulum.
Excuse me, I'm the transport system. I move ribosomes' proteins, fold them, and get 0 credit for it. Yes, I have a way of pure chaos. You ever consider a map? Hello, you need me, remember?
Yes, how could we forget? Let's get this show on the road.
I've cooked up a feast for you. Ta-da! I've prepared a meal of lipids, carbs, and you're not supposed to be here. And protein. That must have been a transportation error. You're not too bright, I see. You guys are being so mean to me today.
Oh, sorry, was that too rough for you?
It's time to vote who the most important cell organelle is. I am. Without me, there's no coordination. I'm the boss.
You, boss? You can't even text outside your envelope, and you're only in eukaryotic cells. I'm the most important. I make the proteins that keep you working. Cute. Well, who keeps the amino acids coming in? Oh yeah, me again. I am. Without me, you wouldn't have the energy to function. Without me, you wouldn't have a cell to live in, mitochondrial bro.
But I make the macromolecules.
But who keeps bringing in all your ingredients?
Settle down, organelles. It's time for the audience to vote.
Vote cell membrane. We're necessary because you're necessary.
And we keep the cell safe so life can continue.